Hi, this is Adam Slaughter, the Solutions Consultant for Tobii Dynavox in Chicagoland. Today I'm going to show you how to span some buttons, basically meaning how can we make our buttons a different shape or different size for a variety of needs. It's really simple to do. Just go into your settings, choose the button that you want to edit, and then you see there's a square around that button with 4 dots at each corner. Just grab that dot and you can start to expand it and make a bigger button. I can make this as big as I need to, or I can make them really tall and narrow. I could make them very long and narrow, however you want to do it. I see this being useful if you want to make a photo album for somebody, so you can put the picture in the nice big button and then use these smaller buttons around the side for communication regarding that button. Or if you have an eye gaze user that has a problem area at a certain quadrant, you could make bigger buttons on those problem areas so they have easier access to those problem quadrants. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.